Hi children, how's everything? Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. It's me, your Divya ma'am. I will be your maths teacher in this year. A warm welcome everyone to our maths class, especially for new faces. Children, today we are going to discuss about our first topic, knowing our numbers. Our first topic, chapter name, knowing our numbers. Knowing our numbers. This is our first lesson. Children, from the beginning itself we are learning about numbers. We use numbers. We know many things about numbers. From the first year itself, when we are start your schooling, we are learning about numbers. Numbers help us counting the objects. Suppose different things we want to count. One example I will tell you. Number of books in your school library. How can we count without the help of numbers? We need the help of numbers to count number of books in your school library. How many English books are there? How many chemistry books are there? How many maths books are there? How many story books are there? Numbers help us counting the objects or things. Not only that, they arranging them in different groups. Which is the biggest? Which is the smallest? Which is in between? Then increasing order, decreasing order, everything. In our school different classes are there. Which class have maximum number of students? Which class have minimum number of students? Then your family, how many members are there? Your height, your length, your height, your weight, everything we number. Children, without numbers we cannot live at all. Without numbers we cannot purchase anything. Without numbers we cannot sell. Without numbers we cannot construct anything. Then engineers also cannot do his work. He want to measure the height of the building, length of the building. He want to measure the depth. Then your teachers also need the help of numbers. Without numbers, they cannot give you a mark. Children, we use numbers in different contexts, in different ways. In your previous classes also, you learned so many things about numbers like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Am I clear? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Children, in our number system, we use 10 symbols in all. How many symbols? 10 symbols. Which are that symbols? Namely, listen here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the 10 symbols. We can say symbol or digit. We can say anyway, symbol or digits. Okay, these are the 10 symbols. We can write any number using the given digit. We can write any number using the given digits. Single digit number, okay, 0 to 9, these are the single digit numbers. Then 2 digit number. 2 digit numbers means what? Which are the 2 digit number? 10. After what comes after 9? Then 10. 10 to 99. 10 to 99. These are the 2 digit numbers. Okay. Here we want to write 10. Okay. Which are the digits? 1, 1 and 0. Okay. We want to write 99. Here which digits we want to use? 9, 9. Then 3 digit numbers. Which are the 3 digit numbers? That means what comes after 99? What comes after 99? 100. This is the smallest 3 digit number. Then 100 to 999. These are the 3 digit numbers. Okay. Then take here 101. Then 102. Okay. Here also we want to write 101. We want to use which is digits 1, 0, 1. Anyway, okay, how many numbers we can make using the digit? Clear? Any greatest, any biggest number, any smallest number, any 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number, any number we can make using this digit. Clear? Children, now we'll see the topic building numbers. Our first topic, building numbers. In this lesson, our first topic, building numbers. Okay, building numbers. This is our first topic, building numbers. Okay, in this topic, we discuss about how to make different numbers using the given digits. We already learned that 10 digits. Which are the 10 digits? 0 to 9. These are the 10 digit number. In our number system, okay, we use 10 symbols in all. Which are the symbols? 0 to 9. Okay, 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, these are the 10 digits in our number system. Okay. In this topic, we discuss about how to make different numbers using the given digit. Otherwise, how to make greatest and smallest number using the given digit. Clear? These are the two topics. First topic, how to make different 2-digit numbers using the given digit. Second topic, how to make greatest and smallest numbers using the given digit. First we can check how to write different numbers using the given digits. Okay, now here I will give you 3 and 8. 3 and 8. How many digits here? 2 digits. 3 and 8. Using the given digit, how many numbers we can make? How many 2-digit number we can make? Okay, look here. 3 and 8. Okay, these are the digits I given to you. Okay, using the given digit, how many 2-digit number we can make? Okay, first one, 3 and 8, 38. Clear? Second one, 83. How many 2-digit number here we can make, student? How many 2-digit number? First one, 38. Second one, 83. 2 number we get using the given digit. 2 digits numbers we get using the given digit. 3 and 8. Then one more. Now I given to you 4 and 7. Okay. Which digit? 4. Which are the digits? 4 and 7. How to make different 2-digit numbers using the given digit? Using the given digit. Okay. Different 2-digit number. First 47. Okay. Then second time 74. Second 74. How many 2-digit number we can make using the given digit? 2. First one 47. Second one 74. Listen here. Here without repetition only we can write this way. Okay. How to write different 2-digit numbers using the given digits without repetition. Repetition means one number we can write again and again. Here repetition not allowed. Here one number one time only we can write. Clear? Without repetition we can write, okay, without repetition we can write how many numbers using the given digit 3 and 8? First one 38, second one 83. Repetition means, without repetition means we cannot write any number more than one time. Clear to you? Okay, one number one time only we can write. That means 38, second one 83. Here this example you look, here 4 and 8, 4 and 7. These are the digits I given to you. Okay, using the given digit, how many 2-digit number we get? First one 47. Second one 74. Clear to you? The next one, listen here. Third, one more example I will give you. 6 and 0. 6 and 0. How to write different 2-digit numbers using the given digit without repetition? We cannot write one number again and again. One number one time only we can take. Okay, how to write different 2-digit numbers using the given digits? Very simple. First we will write which way? 6, 0. That means 16. Second time you will write 0 and 6. That's correct. But look here, how many different 2-digit number we get? How many different 2-digit number? Here we get 60. Here you look, here which number? 0, 6. 0, 6 means what? There only 6. Here 0 means meaningless. Okay, here only 6. 6 is the single digit or 2-digit number. Single digit number. Our question we want to look how to make different 2-digit number using the given digit. But here we get only single digit number. Children, listen here. We cannot write any number starting with 0. Okay, we cannot write any number starting with 0. Second position we can write, but we cannot start any number with 0. Listen here, we cannot start any number with 0. Okay, listen here, using the given digit 6 and 0, how many 2-digit number we get? Only 1. That means 60. This is the single digit number. Using the given digit, how many 2-digit number we can make? Only 1. That means 60. 0, 6 means what? 6. That means that is the single digit number. Clear? Listen, one more example I will give to you. This is very simple topic. Six and 9. Okay, 6 and 9, using the given digit, how many 2-digit number we can make? First one 69, second one 96. Okay, then second one, look here, second question 0 and 3. Okay, 2-digit I given to you, that means 0 and that is 0 and 3. Using the given digit, how many 2-digit number we can make? Listen here. First we will write 0, 3. Second we will write first one 0, 3. Second time we will write 3, 0. 0, 3 means what, student? That is 3. That is the single digit number. We cannot start any number with 0. Here we want 2-digit. But you get which number? Single digit number. We cannot write like that way. We want 2-digit number. Then second one, look here. Here 3, 0. That is 30. That is the 2-digit number. Then using the given digits 0 and 3. Using the given digit, how many 2-digit number we get? 1. That is 30. This is wrong. This is the single digit number. We can write using the given digit, how many 2-digit number we get? Only 1. This is without repetition. One number, one time only we can write. With repetition, which way we can write? Look here. Okay. These are the digits I given to you. 3 and 8. Okay. With the repetition, here repetition is allowed. That means we can write any number again and again. Okay, with the repetition allowed means using the given digit, how many 2-digit number we can make? How many 2-digit number? Okay, first we can write 38. Second time we can write 83. Then third time, listen here, third time we can write, here repetition is allowed. That means one number we can write again and again. Then here 2 times 3 we can write, that is 33. Then next one, fourth one, 8. Here 8 we can repeat once again, that is 88. Then here repetition is allowed. How many 2-digit number we get? 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? One more example. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. Using the given digit, okay, how many different 2-digit number we can make? Using the given digit 6 and 8. Okay, these are given to you. Using the given digit, how many different 2-digit number we can make? Here repetition is allowed. Repetition is allowed means what, children? We can write one number again and again. Okay, listen here. First way, we already, which way we make 2-digit number? Very simple. First one 68. Second time 86. Then next one, repetition is allowed. Then this number we can repeat once again. That means 6. That is 66. Then this also we can write once again. That means 8. That is 88. Here repetition is allowed. How many different 2-digit number we get? 1, 2, 3, 4. 68, 86, 66, 88. Very simple. Then one more. 4 and 9. Okay, here repetition is allowed. How many 2-digit we can make? That means 49, then 94. Then next 4 we can repeat 2 times. That means 4. Then next one 9. Clear? Clear to you? I hope you understand this. Okay, you how to make different numbers using the given digit, with the repetition and without repetition. Without repetition means we can write one number one number 1 times. Then with the repetition, repetition is allowed means we can write one number again and again. Clear? Children, our first topic building numbers. Then next topic we can discuss now. That means how to make greatest and smallest numbers using the given digit. How to make greatest and smallest number using the given digit. This is very simple topic. Okay, this is very simple topic. All of you listen here. Are you ready? Okay, these are the digit I given to you. How many digits here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. These are the digit I given to you. Using the given digit, you want to write which is the greatest number, which is the smallest number using the given digit. Okay, use how to make greatest and smallest number using the given digit. Very simple way we can find this answer. Very simple. Listen here. We want to get greatest number. First, what we want to do? This number you arrange in descending order. Descending order. Otherwise, biggest number we want to write left most of the place. Okay, left place we want to write biggest number. Okay, otherwise left most of the beginning. Clear? We want greatest number, then which is the highest place, there we want to keep biggest number. Which is the highest place, there we want to write biggest number. That means first number is the biggest. Otherwise, descending order. Descending order. What is descending order? Arranging the numbers from biggest to the smallest. First we want to write biggest number. Okay. Arranging the numbers from biggest to the smallest. That means we want to get greatest number, then greatest number we want to write first. Very simple. Greatest number we want, then greatest number we want to write first. Very easy, no? Listen here. Here greatest number. Here which is the greatest number? 8. That you write first. Then next which is the greatest number? 6. After 6, next which is the greatest number? 3. Then 2. Then using the given digit, we can make greatest number. Using the given digit, which is the greatest number? 8632. Clear? Then same way smallest number. Then listen here, we know we want to get greatest number. Then first we want to write the greatest number. Okay, we want to get greatest number using the given digit. Then what we want to do? We want to write greatest number in first. Okay, greatest, highest position we want to write greatest number. Then you tell me, we want to get smallest number. What we'll do? Tell me. Very simple. We want greatest number, then first we want to write greatest number. Then we want smallest number, then what we'll do? Smallest number want to write first. There is no doubt. That means ascending order. Ascending order. We want to get greatest number, that digit we want to arrange in descending order. That means biggest to smallest. We want to get smallest number, then what we want to do? That number we want to write in arranging ascending order. That means smallest number, then first. That means first we want to write smallest number. Otherwise, that digit we want to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means what? Arranging the numbers from smallest to the biggest. Smallest to the biggest. Then you tell me this answer. First which number we will write? 2. Okay, this is the smallest number. Then second time 3. Then third time not 8, 6. Then last will come biggest number. Clear? Very simple. We using the given digit, which is the greatest number. First we want to arrange in descending order. Greatest number we want, then descending order. That means highest position we want to write greatest number. That means 8632. Descending order means what? Arranging the numbers biggest to smallest. Okay, we want to get smallest number using the given digit. What we want to do? That number, that digit we want to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. One more, I conclude this topic. Then biggest number we want, then biggest number we want to write first. Smallest number we want, then smallest number we want to write first. This only. Okay, then one more. Second one, look here. 8, 9, 1, 7. Okay, these are the digits I given to you. Using the given digit, which is the greatest number, and write which is the greatest number and which is the smallest number. Using the given digit, after you want to write which is the greatest number and which is the smallest number. Very simple. Greatest number we want, what we want to do? Greatest number we want to write in highest position, highest place. That means descending order. Then 8, Sorry, 8 not. Which is the biggest number here? 9. 9, 8, then 7, 1. Okay, smallest number we want, what we want to do? Smallest number we want to write in first. That means arranging ascending order. That means first smallest number 1, second time 7, third time 8, then 9. Clear? I hope you understand this. Then another one you look. Listen here. 7, 1, 2, 0. Here. Listen here. Digits 7, 1, 2, 0. Here what we want to do? We know greatest number we want. The greatest number we want to write first. Smallest number we want. Then smallest number we want to write first. Here we can look. Greatest number. Okay, which way we can write greatest number? First will come 7. Then next will come 2. Then 1, 0. Then smallest number. Listen here. Smallest number we want. First, which is the smallest number here? 7, 1, 2, 0. Which is the smallest number here? 0. Children, we can write 0 in first place. We can write 0 in first place. We already learned we cannot start any number with 0. We cannot start any number with 0. Okay, here you see how many digit? 4 digit we want to make. Okay, make greatest and smallest 4 digit number using the given digit. Okay, then which way? Greatest number we want, then we can write in descending order. Smallest number we want, then we can write in ascending order. But here 0 is the first number. We cannot write like that way. Then what we want to do? What we've done? 0 other than 0, which is the smallest number? Okay, 0 is here. Other than 0, which is the smallest number? 1. That number you write first. Then second position we want to write 0. Smallest number we want to write. Suppose in your digit there have 0. Then what we want to do? Every time that 0 we want to write in second position. Greatest number, no problem. We can write last position 0. That is correct. In the case of smallest number, your question, there you have 0. Then what we want to do? That 0 you want to write in second position. First position which number we want to write? Other than 0, which is the smallest number, that number want to write in first position. Then second position we want to write 0. Clear? That means here other than 0, which is the smallest number? 1. Then second position we want to write 0. Then after, which is the smallest number? 2. Last is the biggest number. Very simple. Then listen here. One more question. Make greatest and smallest 4 digit number using the given digit 7, 4, 2, 6 in ones. Okay. Make greatest and smallest 4 digit number using the given digits 7, 4, 2, 6 in ones. In ones means here repetition is not allowed. One number, one time only we can write. Clear? Then listen here. Which is the greatest number using the given digit? Our digit. Which are these our digit? 7, 4, 2, 6. These are our digits. Okay, 7, 4, 2, 6. Using the given digit, which is the greatest number? Then we want to write in descending order. That means 7, 4, 7, 6, 4, then 2. We want to get smallest number. What we want to do? We want to arrange in ascending order. That means smallest to biggest. Listen here. Which is the smallest number? Which is the smallest number here? 2. Then we can write next smallest number 4. Next we can write 6. Then next one 7. Okay, then that means which is the smallest greatest number using the given digit? 7642. Which is the smallest number using the given digit? 2467. The last one more example. Okay, listen here. Make greatest and smallest 4-digit number using the given digit 6, 0, 7, 3. In ones. Here repetition not allowed. Then what we want to do? Okay, what we want to do? Okay, we want to get greatest number. Okay, first we want to arrange in descending order. First we will write biggest number 7. Second time we will write 6. Then third one 3. The last will come 0. Ascending or descending order. Biggest to smallest. We want to get smallest number using the given digit. What will do? Arranging ascending order. Smallest to biggest. Children, look here. Here which is the smallest number? 0. We cannot write any number starting with the 0. Then other than 0, which is the smallest number? 3. Then here second position we want to write 0. Then next will come 3, 0. Then 6, 7. Okay, I hope you understand how to write different numbers using the different greatest and smallest number using the given digit. Okay, how to write different numbers, different greatest and smallest numbers using the given digit. Okay, we want to get greatest number. What we want to do? That digit you arrange in descending order. We want to get smallest number. What we want to do? That digit you arrange in ascending order. One special case I will tell you. Your question, there have 0, then the greatest number we want to make, that is very simple. Last you can write 0. But in the case of smallest number, don't write any number starting with the 0. That time what we want to do? 0 we want to write in second position. Other than 0, which is the smallest number, that number want to write in first position. Remember that point. Greatest number, in the case of greatest number, no problem, we can arrange in descending order. But in the case of smallest number, every time we want to write in 0 in second position. Okay, other than 0, which number? That number will come first. I hope you understand this lesson. Then I will give some exercise. Make the greatest and the smallest number using the given digits 1, 6, 7, 3. 1, 6, 7, 3 in ones. Okay. That means here repetition is not allowed. One number one time only. Okay. Second one, make the greatest and the smallest number using the given digits 7, 6, 0, 2 in ones. Okay. Here look, here very simple, greatest and smallest number, very simple, greatest number, descending order, smallest number, ascending order. Here look, here 0 is there, remember that smallest number, second position only, you can write 0. I hope you understand this class. Thank you.